Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power delivery. The simplest failures are charger or cable faults. Plug a known good USB-C cable and original or high-quality 18W brick into a fresh outlet, then connect the Pixel 4 for at least 10 minutes. If you see no charging LED, try flipping the cable and testing a second charger. Make sure the port is clear. Lint can prevent contact. Once done, you'll know if the phone is actually receiving power or if deeper steps are needed. If charging didn't help, you force a restart because software can freeze the power state. Press and hold power for 30 seconds. That triggers a hard reboot on Pixel devices. If nothing happens, hold power plus volume down for 10 to 15 seconds to reach the bootloader. Use the volume keys to navigate and press power to select recovery mode. This isolates software issues from battery or hardware faults. Doing this gives you access to wipe cache or attempt a safe boot without erasing data. Once in recovery, you should first choose Wipe Cache Partition. This clears temporary system files and often fixes boot failures while keeping your data. Make sure to let the process complete, then reboot System Now. If the Pixel still won't power on, a factory reset can restore functionality but erases user data, so use it only as a last resort. If none of these work, the problem is likely hardware, the battery, power IC, or connectors. In that case, contact a repair shop or Google support for diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.